Let's graph this nonlinear function. And by the way, if you'd like, instead of f of x, because y is f of x, you can think of this as y is equal to x minus 1 quantity squared. Either one is fine. Remember though, we're graphing a nonlinear function, so although you may not be sure of the shape of the graph yet, you do know it will pass the vertical line test. So let's plot these points. If x is negative 2, and by the way, first we'll find these ordered pair solutions. If x is negative 2 here or here, negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3, and negative 3 times negative 3, that's 9. Negative 1 minus 1, that's negative 2, and that's squared, so negative 2 times negative 2, that's 4. If x is 0, 0 minus 1 is negative 1, and negative 1, that quantity squared is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 squared is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 squared is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 squared is 4, and 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 squared is 9. Now let's plot these ordered pair solutions. Notice how I've labeled my tick marks. Here they are 1 unit. Here along the y-axis, each tick mark represents 2 units. So make sure you are aware of that. Negative 2, 9, that's 2 to the left, and then 9 up. 2, 4, 6, 8, a little bit more, 9. Negative 1, 4, 1 to the left, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 up. 0, 1, that's 0 left or right, 1 up. 1, 0, that's 1 to the right. 0 up or down, 2, 1. Then at 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. It will distort the shape of the graph a little bit since the tick marks stand for 1 unit this way and 2 units this way, but still we'll get a general idea of the shape. 4, 9, that's 4 to the right, and then 9 up. Now notice this has some curvature to it. By the way, this is not a linear equation, is it, because of the square? Because of the square, this turns out to be a quadratic equation, and here's the graph of this function f of x.